Hi guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Brian.
And welcome to our channel, The Screaming Pugs.
Okay, so today we're gonna make Sonic's famous chili dogs. I think Megan played a little bit of Sonic back in the day. We didn't? Nothing. Okay, so she's a blank slate.
But I know what a chili dog is, and I feel this is the most important part of the whole thing. Like, I looked for a recipe.
We actually used to put rolls here, not that much of a chili dogs.
Yeah, like we're used to using borscht, and it's basically sausage but not sausage.
Same but different.
Yeah. So it's going to be interesting to make something that we don't usually eat in this country.
But let's get to it.
Okay, so these are some of the ingredients we are using. You can't see all of them, but we'll show you as we go. Okay, so we're starting off with adding a little bit of olive oil. Yeah. It can be any oil, but we're being healthy despite all the unhealthiness. Okay, so next we're adding the onions and red peppers. We're gonna put all the amounts for you guys on the menu below.
So today I'm doing the cooking, and I hope I don't burn down anything.
I'm just supervising.
Yeah.
For that exact reason. Okay, so the idea is that this will just get like properly heated and cooked. Then we're gonna add some minced meat and we're gonna add some mushrooms.
I don't know who of you guys actually watched the cartoon, but I know that all dogs always look so yummy.
Well, I've seen all the pictures, they definitely do look good. I'm not gonna deny that. We're used to eating hot dogs, like that's like totally a thing we do in South Africa, but we don't really do the chili thing. Like, we like spicy food, but we never do the chili thing. Okay, so now we're gonna add the mushrooms. They need to brown a little bit as well. This is actually frozen. This is actually frozen mushrooms. There's no specific reason why we're using it. It's just we've discovered that it's actually really tasty, so why not? Okay, so now we're gonna add the ground beef, or minced beef. I don't know what you guys call it, but we call it. Yeah, it doesn't have to be beef, but this is what we prefer. You can obviously use chicken or anything else you get. And you just need to kind of let this sit until it's browned. So yeah, let's speed things up a little bit.
Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit of salt to this. And it's now time to add our crushed tomatoes.
Yeah, this is just a can of crushed tomatoes, but we actually took whole tomatoes. We didn't have crushed ones, so pretty much the same thing, you know. Just a little bit more elbows. Okay, so here comes the most challenging part of the entire video. We need to pronounce this correctly.
Worcester.
Worcestershire. Okay, so in South Africa, in the Afrikaans language, which we speak, we call this Worcester Sauce, which is so much easier to say. So we're just gonna call it that from now on. You just have to add a tablespoon of Worcester sauce. And then, yeah, mix that in a little, and then you can just add your barbecue sauce.
Okay, so we're gonna add some barbecue sauce. This is what we have. I think this is only in South Africa, Dani's. So let's...
Dani is very South African.
It's very South African. It's like Pete.
Quiz. That's another one. And sorry, and okay, Mari is not one.
I think that's enough.
Yeah, no, that is enough, I believe. This is starting to smell really good.
Yes.
And we're like halfway. So yeah, you pretty much have to mix this in. And then let it sit for 20-30 minutes. Just let it simmer until everything is a little bit cooked drier, I believe. And then we're gonna add the next ingredients. So we'll see you guys in 20 minutes.
Right. Okay, we're gonna add some cumin to our mix.
It's gonna be 1 tablespoon. Just make sure it's not heaped. That's gonna be a lot of spice. No, that's like too much. Like it needs to be level. It's gonna kill us with spices
like
here.
This?
Nope, level.
Like this?
A little bit less. Okay, that'll work. Oh, you guys didn't see that. He was like trying to throw in double the amount. And yeah, this smells really spicy. And I don't really like spicy, burny foods.
I love spicy food.
Yeah, my mouth and my stomach does not appreciate it. So the next thing is chili powder. But we couldn't find chili powder. All we could find is peri peri powder, which is very South African. So we decided to rather use chili garlic. So we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of that. That you can make heat. That's like, okay, that's not very heat. We really like garlic, so I feel that's it's okay if there's too much garlic in it.
The first day when I came here, sister gave me like garlic bread, but it was mostly garlic and not a little too much bread.
Yeah, and her husband's like eating it, pretending like nothing's wrong, and the rest of her is like sitting there, choking it down. Like, okay, something's wrong. This is too much garlic. So now it's their thing. He constantly buys her garlic, and she gives him garlic whenever she gets the opportunity. So the final ingredient is red kidney beans.
I'm not a big fan of beans, but you can't make a Sonic hot dog without beans.
Yeah, I like beans, but I prefer other kind of beans. I've never had these. They look pretty cool though. I like the red. Okay, so we're just gonna leave this to simmer for another 30 minutes, and then we're gonna move to the final step.
Okay, so now I'm gonna add our Viennas.
Or hot dogs,
Or hot
whatever you
dogs.
call it.
Yeah, we call it Viennas here.
Yeah, just 1 for each chili dog you're making. And you're just gonna leave that until it boils for just 5 minutes, just to heat up. Chili's pretty much done. Like, just look at this deliciousness going on here. Okay guys, so it's time for the finale. We're just gonna put the Vienna or the hot dog on the hot dog bun. And then you're gonna put some of the chili over and garnish it with cheese. Everything smells so good in here. You can actually put a lot more garnish over this, but we kind of want to eat this on camera, so.
I think that's enough.
And there you have it, a chili dog.
Okay, now for the taste test. I hope this lives up to my childhood dreams.
Worth the beans.
It's worth the beans. It's delicious. Wanna buy?
Okay.
takes me back to the 90s.
I'm gonna be the one that's like gonna spill this everywhere now.
You hardly taste the beans.
Oh, that was good. I want to eat lunch now, I'm hungry. Okay, so that was delicious. I'm definitely gonna make that again.
Definitely was like what I expected from a small boy in the 90s.
Know that you're gonna eat beans when you're all grown up. I'm gonna put it up there. I'm giving a lot of credit to this one for actually making all of the food today. I had a little accident with my cat. He had to go to the vet and he doesn't like going to the vet. So my hands kind of smell like sanitary products at the moment. Like the smell doesn't want to get off my skin. So yeah, that's why he was making most of the food. But I think we're gonna have to do this again.
No, there's no fires, no
Yeah.
emergencies, nothing like that. So
Yeah,
I think it went well.
that's the most important part of everything here. I hope you guys enjoyed this one.
Yeah, and also remember to subscribe to us if you like our content. Also drop a like if you like our content. And just tell us what you want to see next.
Yeah, like drop a comment down below what other game / cartoon / movie food and things would you guys like to see.
See you guys.
Bye.